I'm Gabriel Coble. This morning I'd like to show you this custom home built by Riverside Developments. After you. Riverside Developments has been creating exceptional luxury custom homes in Calgary and area for over 20 years. From concept to completion, Riverside Developments can bring your visions into life and your dream home into reality. Riverside Developments delivers an elevated level of craftsmanship and attention to detail with uncompromising quality and service. The boutique builder for the discerning client, Riverside Developments creates custom homes as unique as you are. Thanks for joining us today. For additional details, please visit our website, riversidedev.com. Have a great day.